Welcome to Tinagong Dagat, Nara, Palawan. Barangay Tinagong Dagat is one of the main suppliers of marine resources in town of Nara. Rich in various types of marine resources such as fish, seashells, and marine plants. It can be considered a resource of Nara and contributes to the continued development of the economy of this municipality.
Ano pong pangalan mo?
Ariel,
Ilang taon na po kayo?
26.
Ilang taon na po kayo nang
10 years na.
sa 10 years po, gaano po kalaki yung naitulong nito sa inyo, sa pamilya niyo?
Lagi din. Isang buwan.
Eh, kung ito nakatulong po.
Nakatulong po kami kay isang buwan din.
Nagde-deliver din po kayo sa bayan po.
As Kuya Ariel said that he is in 10 years in fishing, this helped his family to get due to their everyday living. In 1 month, he earned for almost 10,000 pesos. We didn't bother them for so long cause they will go to catch some fish. As we all know that Nara is the rice granary of Palawan, but also we focus in fishing because not only the farmers gives contribution to the economy of Nara, but also the fishermen. We want them to acknowledge, to be recognized, and appreciated. Life is not easy. We live in the same sky. As we sail our boats in the oceans, we can eliminate all of the biggest waves and reach the seashore, where dreams and happiness is written in the sand. And that's our documentary about the economic activity here in Nara, Palawan. We are from Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship, major in Innovation and Technology, first year. Thank you for watching.